Yeah, here we have a Porter cable 80-gallon vertical compressor. It's 60 horsepower, 230 volt single phase. It appears to be unused. It's in really good condition. The shroud here probably just needs a little adjustment or something like that. It just looks like it's a little bent, but it doesn't impede with any of the operations or anything like that. We don't have the adapter for here, so it's just free-flowing air, but we have it powered up just to show you that it does operate. I'm going to do that for you right now. So, this is a really nice compressor. It works really good. There's a few little tiny little cosmetic scratches on it. We put fresh oil on it. The thing runs really great. So there you have it. The Porter cable, 80-gallon vertical compressor. And we thank you for looking at our product.